That's it.
Very concise.
Very concise. Be yourself, because you are the best Laksham.
All right.
I am the best Humaira Shazia. Whoever,
Yeah.
you are the best person you can be. And we are all born with very, very different talents, with different capabilities. Just value yourself. Be in love with yourself. You can't love anybody, not even your children, if you don't love yourself.
Love yourself. That is so important.
So love yourself.
So necessary.
And don't try to fit into anybody else's shoes.
Yeah. That's very.
Be yourself.
Be yourself.
That is my message to everybody. Because the more you are yourself, the more you can perform, the more you can create.
What were those aspects as a woman that helped you in all of these tough times, and then what were those challenges that you faced which were because of being a woman?
Okay. So as I would take your second part first,
Yeah.
the challenges, the challenge part, and then I will tell you how, So one thing that happens is that there is a mindset that mostly women leaders are either very mean,
Yeah.
either too aggressive or too meek.
Okay.
But you have to walk the talk. That is very, very important. And I remember that, at one point in time, I was evaluating an employee, and, in his feedback, he wrote that I have never felt that I'm working for a woman. I have always felt that I'm working for a person.
That's good. That's
So
really good.
my being a woman is never part of something that I bring along in my workplace. However, it is a huge advantage, because I feel that women have an emotional capacity which men don't.
All right.
They have an emotional capacity because they can multitask. They can look after the house, they can look after the children, they can look after their work, and all at the same, and try to look good also.
Yeah,
That's another
absolutely,
challenge.
absolutely.
So they are used to multitasking. They're used to taking a lot on their plate.
Yes.
And trying to organize everything in a way that the pieces fit perfectly.
Yeah.
That is important.
Yeah.
So I think that as women leaders, you bring a lot on the table. People would sometimes, just not listen to you because you are a woman. So there are those challenges you face in life. But as I said, if you continue, there is a perseverance in you, and people understand that you mean business.
Yeah.
Then they will understand, and they will start to respect you as a professional and as a human being, more than as a woman.
We in an earlier conversation we talked about those bumps and speed breakers that a woman faces in her life. So a bit of your comments on that.
Oh yes, for us, for women, the two most important points in their careers is that especially when they get married or they have a child.
Yes.
Because that is when they have to make a choice whether they want to continue to pursue their careers, which aspects, because we are fierce mothers.
Absolutely.
That the mother instinct is just there, and it's part of you, it's part of your being. The only thing that one can do at that, if the organization can somehow make those times easy for you in any way.
It's very.
Be yourself.
Be yourself.
That is my message to everybody, because the more you are yourself, the more you can perform, the more you can create.